Dok, naimbag nga oras mo, mapadayawan ti JCQ News nga makisarsarita kada kayo, iti garito napintas nga accomplishment iti legislative iti Vintari Ilocos Norte, babaen iti Inka Parangidaulo. So, mabalin nga pakaaman na kami, ken ano day ti Dok?
Okay. Recently po, animbag nga aldaw tayo amin apo, datayo nga mangsubsubaybay ti JCQ.
Yes po.
And so amin nga, lalo dito kailyak ti ili tayo nga bintar. Apo deti ket day dinaangay nga local legislative assessment, okay, for the term 2022 to 2025. So that was my first term as a municipal vice mayor apo. And this was done idi lang last month ti ano na. So ang assessment period is June 2022 to June 30, 2025.
Yes
That ang
po.
period. So to think that we were the first to be assessed among all the municipalities, the category na apoket from the first to third class municipalities. So we have 18 municipalities vying for these different awards. And I'm happy to announce and to share to each and everyone that finally the legislative department of our local government unit of Vintar has this award. It's not about the award, but it's the achievement, okay, that has been done by all the 12 members of the 12 Sangguniang Bayan. Okay, so we are now in the 13th. So, dati apo, we ranked third runner-up.
Yes po.
Okay, garnering 96.5. Okay, and in rating. And aside from that, we had been given several awards, 3 other awards. We have the Excellence in Legislation Award.
Okay, Dok.
Okay, for garnering at least 90 points in the assessment of the crafting of ordinances, impactful ordinances and resolutions, and also likewise its implementation. Another award po ket the Breakthrough Award, because there had been a remarkable improvement po in our legislative department in our legislation since we had been given the opportunity, okay, to lead the legislative department. And the last award is the Legislative Hub Award for having the best office setup, okay, for our legislators and likewise their secretaries. So, cubicle apo, and then they have their own secretaries, they have their own laptops, they have their own filing cabinet. So, lahat na urnos apo tano at the umay, ang ure awanda at the secretary tas to find the necessary documents, yes, for the assessment. So most of our points, okay, the maximum of our points went to the innovative programs that were introduced apo. Kasla ko madigijay creation of the local legislative staff officer for dedicated preferably a juris doctor, okay, an attorney. So actually ada dito nga position apo in order to improve our legislative process and to enhance also our knowledge, some of our knowledge, okay, in the legal matters. Yes, and then another one po is yung out of the office sessions namin that we do religiously every month, and the last Monday of every month. Actually, we have already started for this term. Okay. So, regular po yan. And then our live sessions in order to be transparent.
Yes po.
Okay, so that people will know what is the several laws and resolutions that have been crafted. And likewise, our paperless sessions in order to cut our budget. Okay. So, and then, we have this book, apo, this legislative book.
Yes po.
The first time that I napanunot ko dito apong to have this kasi di ba sa executive level we have an executive report. So sabi ko naman, why don't we also publish our legislative report para makita naman
yearly
na
no kadatan, Dok?
For the term po.
Okay.
From July 1, 2022 to June 30, 2025. Andito po lahat yung mga mga ordinances passed,
dagiti
naaramidan apo ta. We all know naman that the legislative department is also the backbone of the implementation of our local chief executive. So people should also know kung ano anamit digiti nga naaramidan tayo nga i-implementar ni apo Mayor Apo. And then we also have actually we have another one yung
na-compile.
When na-compile. So, but we will be doing away with these papers and documents. Nagkwa kami ti Vice Mayor's League, nag-conference kami na minsan nga aldaw. They are pursuing yung smart sessions wherein they will be training, there will be trainings for our ITs. DJ barcode you could already assess all the ordinances and resolutions, the agenda.
So alistuda lang
ni Giant. So we are also promoting that.
So talagang digitalization, Doc?
Digitalization po.
Okay po, oo.
So, but for the meantime, inano namin itong mga to para we will also give our department heads, our punong barangay, so that they are aware of all the ordinances, resolutions that had been passed.
Tapos hindi ka sagad makita na digiti oburaen.
So digitamet in innovations tayo apo through the hard work of the whole Sangguniang Bayan, the cooperation and their dedication also can that to SB secretaries tayo apo of its Sangguniang Bayan, and of course our secretary to the Sangguniang Bayan, our SB staff, our department heads like the office of the office of the mayor, office of the MSWDO, DRRM, accounting, the planning. Isudan tinangted kadak tayo digiti documents that were necessary during the assessment period. And likewise, we thank our Honorable Mayor for supporting us also, and also for encouraging us to walk with him in his space. Kaya nga maganda po na yung executive tsaka yung legislative, they walk hand in hand together with all the
Napintas di pa nagtrabaho da.
Napintas apula ununay because no napintas met ti ma-legislate, napintas met ti ma-implementar, napintas met ti pa nagduras ken agbenepisyo ti amin tayo. Matulungan tayo amin apo.
Kahit nga sa Wondok, iti Konseho ti Vintar Ilocos Norte ket numampay adalata iti politika na ngem no ti panagobra ket memesa kayo, Dok.
No, wala pong politics sa amin doon. It's already finished nung tapos na po ang politika. Whatever political colors that we have, ano na po yun? We move forward. Hindi na yun diferensya. Ang importante, isut nakita nga pinakamagandang innovation na po detoy. Di pa nagkinamayet the executive and legislative department. Because during the times apo nakikita ti diferensya nga nohaan nga kinamayet executive ken legislative haan nga napintas ti programa. Haan nga progreso ti ili tayo. That's why I told myself this will never happen in our term with our Honorable Mayor. That's why we took all the challenges. It was hard. Of course, we took all the challenges and we keep on moving forward. Pag may okay, bangon ulit. And then so it pays. So I thank also the 12th Sangguniang Bayan members, and likewise the present Sangguniang Bayan, the 13th Sangguniang Bayan members for this term, that we will hopefully we can continue and we strive to continue. I am hopeful that we will add more to our achievements.
Yes, so kahit nga sa Wondok dati may kadwa nga terminum as Vice Mayor iti Vintar ket dati nagunodan yung anadopay in the future.
We strive. Ti hamingamin nga na kwa idi ko apo ket DJ revision of codes. We have different codes in the municipality that were not they were not na first reading yan yamhaan nga nalepas because of the campaign time. Busy amin nga tattao. That's why our priority, one of our legislative agenda is to for this year, for this term, is to finish all the revision of our codes.
Okay.
Yes, and actually tomorrow we will already start. We'll be starting already our budget hearing deliberation so that we could pass it on time, our budget for 2026.
Okay po. So, Doc, masarita tayo karigitay kalugaran tayo iti Vintar kang ronaan na rigitay agtultuloy nga makikinkinamayat kada kayo nga opisyal staff ng tigas sakit kung nangarod na po mayor dor asen Vintarin. So anat may sarita karigitay kalugaran tayo do.
Okay, mesa lang apo ti masaritak jus unay ti agngina apo kada
Yes,
kayo
po.
amin ta inikandak ti tsansa to lead this department, and I for giving us the opportunity, all of us, including our Sangguniang Bayan members, to also improve. And it's not about the award, Apo. It's
Yes,
about the achievement that is very most important para kada kayo deti, Apo, na ipakita mi nga we were worth of your trust. And we hope that you will continue to support this administration headed by our local Chief Executive, the Honorable Mayor Richard Degala, because makita yung met Apo, iti nakadado nga napintas nga anayas ti duras iti ili tayo nga Vintar. Let's move forward more, okay for the future, Apo.
Okay, sir.